Hi, I'm Chris, and in today's video I'm going to go over the basics of the board view. So first of all, go to the top right corner to change view, select the board view. As you can see, the board view is essentially a Kanban that groups together all your nodes on a specific node type. So by default, the node type is set to tags, where then you'd have the title of the tag at the top and all of the content below. All the nodes related to it below. So if you want to have a broader view of it, you can click in the bottom right corner of the magnifying lens, which zooms out. And more importantly, you can then pick how you want to have the information grouped by clicking on the options at the top right, and then choosing whether you have them grouped by tags, website, files, or nodes. If you have any questions, please let us know on the forum. We're adding a lot of more functionalities to the board view very soon and look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.